Today, we have the pleasure of introducing you to the next generation of Meltio technology condensed into an all-new platform, presenting the Meltio M600. 3D printing large metal parts never has been easier, thanks to a completely integrated solution with a fully inert workspace of 300 by 400 by 600 millimeters, smart sensors, multi-material capability, hot wire capability, and a newly developed printhead that is powered by blue lasers. Let me show you how it works. We call it 3P. Plug it in, press play, and print. Come on, let's see in the factory. The Meltio M600 is a highly robust machine that requires minimal maintenance and operator input. And thanks to the newly improved process control mechanism, printing is more reliable than ever. Ready for true lights-out manufacturing. And if the lights really do go out, don't worry, the Meltio M600 makes it very easy to resume a print once power is restored. Have confidence in the quality of the parts that you're producing, thanks to a host of new process monitoring solutions that offer traceability for the industrial environment. And speaking of the environment, thanks to the high efficiency and absorption of the blue 450nm direct diode laser system, not only can you print more materials more quickly, but you can also reduce the energy consumption of the machine for a greener manufacturing process. It also has a small area footprint, which means it only takes up about 1 square meter of your manufacturing floor space. Lastly, the machine is built from high-quality components, ready to perform 24/7 in an industrial environment. Come on, let's see in the machine shop. Most metal 3D printed parts need to be post-processed with conventional manufacturing methods. And for this reason, the Meltio M600 has been designed from the ground up to be the perfect tool for the modern machine shop. Amplify your capabilities with additive manufacturing that easily integrates with your existing CNC machines. Featuring a built-in 3-axis touch probe and supporting various types of work holding solutions, the Meltio M600 makes it easy to swap parts from the 3D printer to the CNC machine and back again.
Here in the office, speed up your research with an approachable machine that simply works and lets you focus in what's important. The M600 comes together with a large array of integrated sensors, blue lasers, vision system, and the possibility to use up to 4 materials sequentially on our open material platform. We call it quad wire. For increased productivity, you can also use hot wire. The M600 also comes together with a complete software suite that allows you to get the most out of the M600. Let's have a look at the software environment that is delivered together with the M600. Firstly, we have the Meltio Horizon that is delivered today on a new version that includes many new features. Horizon is the slicer that translates your 3D object from the CAD software of choice into a toolpath. Horizon is very easy to use and includes predefined printing profiles that allows also advanced users to get the most out of the M600, accessing full parameterization of the machine. Once the toolpath is generated in Meltio Horizon, it is loaded into the onboard software of the M600. We call it Meltio Smart. Why? Because it translates the toolpath into a 3D printed part. It monitors the process, gathers all sensor data, and ensures and corrects a small defect while printing. Lastly, I'm proud to announce the first installment of Meltio Dashboard, a cloud-based solution in order for you to monitor and ensure the process of your machines from anywhere on Earth they are. It is also a new platform for Meltio in order to deliver the most complete solution to the market.
So to summarize, today we're introducing a system that's very easy to use, extremely reliable, and that requires minimal operator interaction. The Meltio M600 has been designed from the ground up to perform 24/7 in the most demanding industrial environments. Built from high-quality components and featuring advanced sensors, blue lasers, and a fully inert workspace, the Meltio M600 is a future-proof platform for years to come. And the exciting thing isn't any of the individual features, but that we're offering all of them together in a single, easy-to-use platform that requires minimal operator interaction at an affordable price. So why not try out the future of industrial additive manufacturing today and plug in, press play, and print?